Hi guys, so in this video I am going to talk about one of the important concepts in automation. Okay, so that is captcha automation. Okay, so many people are like having a doubt that should we automate captcha or not. So the answer is no, you should not automate captcha. Why you shouldn't automate captcha? Because captcha is developed in order to prevent automation. Okay, so first of all, in order to understand this video, watch the video till the end. Okay. Many people just simply watch the video, they don't subscribe and like the video. So I want to tell you that if you are watching such valuable content, subscribe and like because this is absolutely free of cost and nobody is charging you for this. And also watch the video till the end with some perseverance and patience so that you can learn something out of it and take away something valuable. Okay, so let's straightly jump into the topic. So I'll show you what is captcha. On a day-to-day basis, we all have used different applications, right? Such as Swiggy, Zomato, everything kind of thing. So here we can see that this kind of symbol. Wait, I'll show you. So this is captcha. Okay, you have to enter different characters over here. So why you do that? Have you ever wondered why you have do that? Because the computer system wants to verify that you are a human. Okay, so if you are not human or robot, you would be unable to perform this, right? So that is why captcha is required. So in automation script, while we automate different web application, mobile application, there sometimes we need to face one scenario that we need to log in inside different credentials using different credentials, username, password, and then like achieve something. And in this process, we need to we face that captcha and we need to bypass that captcha in some way or the other. So using automation script, we can do that. Okay, we can do that by the help of automation script. So here I have written automation script. I will show you that how this works. So basically this is a WebDriver setup and this is an website where we are like checking the this thing. Okay, so now let me comment out the rest of the code and just show you only the captcha part. Okay, so this is commented out. Now let's check the captcha part over here. So my captcha code starts from this. So basically here I have written thread.sleep. This will wait for few minutes and then we are switching to the captcha part and we are just finding the element and checking the captcha. Let's just run this code and see what happens. Okay, so we are running this code. So this will redirect me to this website and it will perform the credentials actions. Okay, as you can see captcha is there. Okay, so this is captcha. We have to perform some actions for performing the captcha validation. Okay, so as you can see it has done the captcha checking. Okay, so you can do this by the help of code. Okay, you can try it out yourself or you can just go to this repo. I will give the repo link in the description. You can just check this out or try it yourself. You will understand that how captcha you can do. So, but is this recommended? No, it is not recommended. Because if you do this by the help of automation, and if you are able to run this by the help of automation, then there is no use of keeping the captcha, right? So, and also like using automation, you cannot do this after 2 to 3 steps. So I'll just run it again and show you what is the output. You will see that now you will not able to run this robot in the captcha. Okay. So basically, automation is a robot, nothing else. You are building a robot to test. Okay. So as you can see here, it is launching the website. It is opening the login, entering username, password, waiting for a few minutes for the captcha, and it will just check the I am not a robot box. So as you can see, it has checked. Let me just run the code again. Now you won't be able to check this one. Okay, let's check. So basically, this is unnecessary thing that we are doing now. This is not recommended actually. So either you can write a code and prompt the user to enter it manually. They can do this and the automation script will run. So as you can see, it is able to check this one. Okay. So every time it is able to check this one, but it's not recommended. There is a bug in the captcha if it is allowing to do this one. Okay. Now let's run it again and check what happens. So as you can see, it will now check. Okay, so you are able to see, you are able to do this checking, right? So there is some issue with the captcha. So, but basically, in the general case, we will see, like I'll show you. So in the normal general cases, we will see this kind of pop-up dialog box. Okay, so like, so basically what I want to say is that I just show in the Google itself. Wait. So this kind of box you will see, right? This kind of box you will see. So basically, once you do this in automation script, there will come a time where you won't be able to perform the captcha verifications using the Selenium. Okay, so that is why it is not recommended. So I hope so. If I try to skip this part, what is the efficient code that I can write? Okay. So what is the strategy to skip this one? Let me comment out this code because this is not necessary. So you can see here that I have uh, written a code to prompt the user to do it manually. Okay, once he done the captcha verification manually, they can proceed with the next steps in the automation. Okay, let me just uncomment the rest of the code here. and explain you actually what I have done. So basically this code, let us see what is happening. Let me run the code. So if you run the code here, it will launch the website. So now it will not do anything. Okay, so you have to do it manually. See, I am verifying it manually. Select all the images with bridges. Okay, in the code, what see, I have written please enter the solved captcha is solved manually. Okay, so here in this code, I have written I am taking a user input and want to prompt the user to solve it manually. Okay, so once I do that, see, once select the bridges, I am selecting the bridges. See, see, I'm manually verifying. So this is done. Now my rest of the script is not running. Once I write the solved here, my rest of the code is running. See, it is performing the login, everything it is performing. Okay, see. So this is the steps I have written in the code. That's why it is performing. So I'll show you another uh, captcha that will now work. Okay, see, it is capturing everything. See, there is one more captcha. Now my script will stop. See, in the code it is giving solve the captcha manually and see the rest of the script. So where I have written, see, this is in, see, here I have written. So basically this is the step. So here I am prompting the user to uh, perform the verification manually. See, once it is done, once I have manually done it, I'll just open the terminal and show and just input the solved here. Okay, my rest of the script will execute now. See, the job has been submitted. See, the rest of the code has executed. So in this way, basically, you can do the captcha verification efficiently. Okay, captcha handling. Okay, so I hope that this video is like helpful to you to understand how you can perform the captcha verification. You will get the code in the my GitHub repo. You can go and check my code or you can try it out yourself. I hope that this will clear your doubts how you can handle the captcha in automation. Okay, so if you have more doubt, comment down below what are the doubts that you have. I'll try to address your doubts, and subscribe and like my YouTube channel and share this video. I'll see you in the next video.